In this video, we will show you how to install NewTechWood fascia boards, the finishing touch that gives your deck a clean, professional look. We will walk you through where the fascia boards should be installed, how to fix them correctly, and the key spacing and drilling requirements you will need to follow. Let's get into it. Keep in mind, when installing fascia boards, it's important to remember that they must always be installed onto the rim board of your frame, never onto the decking itself. Use a clamp to hold the fascia in position, making sure it sits straight and flush before fixing. Step 1. Always pre-drill your fascia boards. Use a drill bit slightly larger than your color-matched stainless steel screws to allow for natural expansion and contraction. Your screw spacing must be 300mm or less, and you will need 2 screws per fixing point, each placed at least 38mm from the edge of the board, drilled at a 90-degree angle. Step 2. Fixing the fascia boards. With your holes pre-drilled, secure each screw. Repeat this process until you complete the whole board. And that's how to install NewTechWood fascia boards. If you're building a deck, check out our step-by-step installation video, which covers installation of edge boards, TC28 clips, and picture framing.